Hey everyone, welcome to AI Lifestyle Revolution channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation with VideoExpress.ai. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to make professional-looking videos without needing a film crew or fancy editing software. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone with a story to tell, VideoExpress.ai makes it incredibly easy to bring your ideas to life. Imagine this, you have a great idea for a video but you don't have the time or resources to make it happen. That's where VideoExpress.ai comes in. It takes your written content and transforms it into engaging videos with just a few clicks. We're talking about stunning visuals, captivating animations, and even AI-generated voiceovers. It's like having a personal video editing team at your fingertips. In this breakdown, we'll walk through the entire process of using VideoExpress.ai from start to finish. I'm talking step-by-step instructions so you can follow along and create your own amazing videos. We'll explore all the cool features like choosing the perfect template, adding your own text, and customizing the look and feel of your video. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI video creation, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Let's jump right in and explore the magic of VideoExpress.ai. One of the things that makes VideoExpress.ai so awesome is its simplicity. You don't need any prior video editing experience to make something truly special. Seriously, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you type in the text you want to use for your video. This could be anything from a script for a YouTube video to a promotional message for your business. Think of it like typing a social media post, but instead of just words, you get an entire video. Next, VideoExpress.ai works its magic. It analyzes your text and suggests relevant visuals, animations, and even voiceovers. This is where the AI really shines, taking your words and turning them into a visually appealing story. You can always customize these suggestions later, but it's amazing to see the AI do its thing right out of the gate. Finally, you preview your video and make any final tweaks. VideoExpress.ai makes it super easy to adjust the timing, add music, and fine-tune every aspect of your video until it's perfect. Once you're happy with the result, you can export it in a variety of formats, ready to share with the world. VideoExpress.ai offers a wide variety of templates to choose from, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're creating a promotional video, an explainer video, or a social media post, there's a template for you. These aren't just random designs either, they are crafted to match different styles and goals. Let's say you're launching a new product. You could use a template with a sleek and modern design featuring fast-paced animations and bold text. This will grab attention and get people excited about what you have to offer. On the other hand, if you're making an educational video, you might choose a template with a more minimalist aesthetic. This will help your viewers focus on the information you're presenting without being distracted by unnecessary visuals. And if you're feeling creative, there are plenty of fun and playful templates to choose from as well. You can create videos with animated characters, colorful backgrounds, and eye-catching transitions. The possibilities are endless. Once you've selected your template, it's time to add your own text. This is where you get to tell your story, share your message, and really make the video your own. VideoExpress.ai makes this process super simple and intuitive. You can either paste your pre-written text directly into the editor or type it out from scratch. As you type, VideoExpress.ai SAI will offer suggestions for animations and transitions that match your words. It's like having a virtual assistant helping you bring your text to life. For example, if you type the word explode, VideoExpress.ai might suggest a cool explosion animation to go along with it. Or if you type the phrase fast car, it might suggest a speeding car animation. These little touches can make a big difference in how engaging your video is. And the best part? You have complete control over the timing of each animation and transition. You can fine-tune every detail to make sure it perfectly matches your vision. Section 5, AI Voiceover, your words professionally spoken. Now let's talk about one of the coolest features of VideoExpress, AI Voiceover. This feature lets you add a professional-sounding voiceover to your videos without needing to hire a voice actor or even use your own voice. It's incredibly easy to use and offers a ton of customization options. Just choose from a library of high-quality AI voices, each with its own unique style and tone. You can preview different voices to find the one that best fits your video. Whether you're going for a friendly and approachable vibe or a more authoritative and professional tone, there's a voice for every need. Once you've selected your voice, you can adjust the speed, pitch, and even add pauses to make it sound just right. You can also emphasize specific words or phrases to add more impact to your message. It's all about having complete control over how your message is delivered. And the best part is that the AI voiceover seamlessly integrates with your video's animations and transitions. It's like having a professional voice actor narrating your story in perfect sync with the visuals. Section 6. Make it your own colors, fonts, and images. Okay, we've got the text and voiceover down, but what about the visuals? Don't worry, VideoExpress.ai has you covered there too. You have tons of options to customize the look and feel of your video to match your brand or personal style. First up, colors. You can change the background color, the text color, and even the color of individual elements within your video. This lets you create a cohesive look and feel that's consistent with your brand identity. Next, fonts. You can choose from a library of stylish fonts to find the perfect one for your message. You can even upload your own custom fonts if you want to keep things extra consistent with your brand. And of course, no video is complete without some eye-catching images. VideoExpress.ai lets you easily add images and even video clips to your videos. You can upload your own media or choose from a library of royalty-free stock footage. Section 7. Sharing your masterpiece export options. You've poured your heart and soul into creating the perfect video. Now it's time to share it with the world. VideoExpress.ai makes exporting and sharing your masterpiece incredibly easy. You have a variety of export options to choose from depending on where you want to share your video. You can export in different resolutions and file formats to ensure compatibility with YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform you can think of. Want to download the video to your computer? No problem. VideoExpress.ai lets you do that too. You can even save your video project so you can come back and make changes later. The point is, VideoExpress.ai gives you the flexibility to share your video wherever you want, however you want. It's your masterpiece after all. Section 8. VideoExpress.ai - your content creation ally. So, there you have it. We've gone through every step of using VideoExpress.ai, from choosing a template to exporting your finished video. As you can see, this tool is incredibly powerful and easy to use even if you have zero video editing experience. But VideoExpress.ai is more than just a cool piece of software. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to create engaging and professional-looking videos without breaking the bank or spending hours learning complicated software. Whether you're a content creator looking to step up your video game, a business owner wanting to create eye-catching marketing materials, or just someone with a story to tell, VideoExpress.ai empowers you to bring your vision to life. Section 9. Get started today. Ready to experience the magic of AI video creation for yourself? Head over to VideoExpress.ai and sign up for a free trial. You won't regret it. And hey, once you've created your first video, be sure to share it with me on social media. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep creating. Click the link below to get started with your free trial today.